What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking about the easiest way for a complete beginner to start creating low and no content books. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every other day I like to bring out videos teaching you all the tips, tricks and strategies that I've learned to help me make passive income here online. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So, if you're a complete beginner when it comes to creating no and low content books, stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do and how you can get started completely for free. Now, if you want to get started completely for free, that's great. That's how I started over 18 months ago. But then once you start creating an income from these books, it is a really good idea just to start using the income that you've created to buy better tools and make you progress a lot faster in your business. Now, there's two tools that you're mainly going to need. First one is CANVA. CANVA is completely free to sign up. It doesn't cost a thing and you can still create your books. There's going to be limits on what you can actually do, but you can still create really great looking books just with the free version of CANVA. So go ahead and sign up for this. If you want to try out a 30-day free trial of the pro version, then there is a link as well down below so you can check that out. But this is where you're going to be creating your covers. But now you're probably thinking, that's great, okay, I can use a free software to create them, but how do I get the right dimensions and everything else for that book? Well, instead of making this video really long, I already have a playlist dedicated to just CANVA. So I'm going to link this down in the description as well. I'll try and link it right there right now in the right hand corner, but if you're brand new, then I really suggest coming through and checking out this playlist. Within here I'm going to show you how to use CANVA. I'm going to show you how to get the dimensions for your books so you can set that up with no problems. Then how to design the covers as well. Then there's some extra bits just here, but these three are the main videos that you want to watch. So come through and check that out. Then once you can do that and you can create covers, you're going to need some interiors as well. Now you can create them in CANVA as well. But to make this even easier, we're going to use BookBolt. Now, don't worry, again, you don't have to pay for this. We're using the free resources on their website. So if we come here to resources, I'll link this in the description down below as well. Then if we go to Interior Wizard, which is the second one down in the drop menu, we can see, oh no, we have to go here as well. So we're going to click on the free KDP no content book interiors. Then we have all of these interiors. So some are for members, some aren't, but you can see there's still quite a few interiors that we can use for free and it's not going to cost us anything. So what we would do is just find one of these. We got music sheet, we got this one as well. So let's choose that. We'd click on it, click no or bleed. No bleed or bleed, depending on what we need. Now, if you want bleed, bleed literally only means if your lines and or images go right to the edge right here, then you're going to need bleed. If you don't have lines or images or anything like that that does not go to the edge, then we click no bleed. So we're going to click that. We're going to do let's just do a 6x9. The page count, we want, say, 100. And then we would just download. So now we have the interior just here. And then hopefully by now you could have your cover created as well in CANVA, downloaded. And then all you need to do is also have a KDP account. Now with a KDP account, it's super simple to sign up and get one. You can have your account opened and your first book published on the same day. There's no hoops that you have to jump through. You sign up, put in your details, put in your bank details to where you want to get paid, and then bam, you're all set and ready. Now, another thing I do want to note quick, if you start this now because you are new, and then you make some money this month, it's going to be a 2-month delay until you get that income. So now we're in May. You wouldn't get paid for May until July, so keep that in mind. Now, another thing, if you want more of a step-by-step system showing you exactly how to go from zero to having your first book published and everything in between, then check out our course Printing Profits. You can get there by going to printingprofits.com. This is a beginner-friendly course. I will be updating it soon as well, but it's going to share with you everything you need to know to get your first book published if you want a more structured system. So be sure to check that out as well. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.